Are you an outdoor enthusiast looking to take your survival skills to the next level? Or maybe you're a prepper, always on the lookout for the latest and greatest gear to keep you safe in an emergency situation. Either way, these are the 10 amazing survival gear and gadgets you must see. The Guardian 3 from Bradford Knives is a formidable tool in any survival situation. This knife is designed and made in the USA, so you can rely on its quality and durability. The blade is crafted from Böhler N690 steel, known for its sharpness and ability to hold an edge, making it perfect for chopping, slicing, and cutting through various materials. The compact size of the knife makes it convenient, but it's better not to get fooled by its size, as its performance makes it stand out among others. The handle of the Guardian 3 is made from wood G10, which provides a solid and secure grip. Finally, its leather sheath allows you to carry it safely and securely, so it's always within reach when you need it. DD Hammocks 3x3 Tarp is the ultimate survival gear for any avid survivalist out there. With its incredibly strong yet lightweight polyester material and 3000 mm rated PU waterproof coating, this tarp is designed to fend off even the most severe rain, leaving you to survive the harshest weather conditions. And with its 19 reinforced attachment points around the edges and along the ridgeline, you have endless options for different shelter styles. You can use it above your hammock, as a shelter, or even by itself on the ground. At only 28 ounces and packing down to a compact size, it's easier to carry no matter where the adventure takes you. SOL Fire Lite is a survival essential that is sure to come in handy when you're out in the wilderness. With just the touch of a button, igniting a flame is easier with twigs and leaves, and you have a warm and comforting fire to keep you alive through the night. The SOL Fire Lite is not just a regular fire starter, it is a survival game changer. With its dual arc plasma lighter, you can quickly build campfires and survival fires. The top-facing double arcs make ignition a breeze even in the most challenging condition. The 3 feet of tender cord allow you to start fires easily, and the 100 lumen LED light helps you navigate in the dark. But that's not all. The SOL Fire Lite is also rechargeable and fuel-free. The lithium battery charges in 2 hours with the included micro USB and lasts for about 45 uses. And it's not just lightweight at 2 ounces, but also waterproof and windproof, so you can use it regardless of wind, rain, temperature, or altitude. The Manker U12 is a powerful and versatile flashlight that is perfect for survival situations. The 2nd Gen XHP50 emitter can produce an impressive 2000 lumens of light, making it one of the brightest flashlights on the market. This also allows a maximum beam distance of 538 feet, making it ideal for illuminating dark forests or caves. Built with durability in mind, the Manker U12 is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum that has been tested with a premium Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive finish. This makes it incredibly resistant to scratches and wear and tear, ensuring that it will last you for many years to come. Lens of the Manker U12 is also built to last, made from toughened ultra-clear glass with anti-reflective coating. With its IPX8 rating, it can be submerged in water and still function perfectly, making it ideal for any survival situation. Zoleo Satellite Communicator is a rugged and reliable device, designed for survivalists and preppers who may find themselves outside of cell coverage. It utilizes the Iridium satellite network to provide global two-way messaging and GPS location awareness. With its MIL STD810G shock resistance, superior dust and water resistance with an IP68 rating, it can withstand even the most extreme survival situations. It's also equipped with an SOS button, which sends your GPS coordinates to an expert 24/7 emergency monitoring system in case of an emergency. In addition, the device has a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that lasts over 200 hours and can check messages every 12 minutes. This means you can rely on it for multiple days of wilderness survival without recharging. The Zoleo satellite communicator is truly a lifesaver in the wild, providing you a sense of security and peace of mind during survival. Here's the Midland ER310, a rugged hand-crank radio to keep survivors updated all the time. This powerful solar-powered radio is the ultimate survival tool, providing multiple power sources, an emergency flashlight, and access to NOAA weather updates. So as the winds start picking up and the rain begins to fall, tune into the NOAA weather scan and alerts to keep you informed of any severe weather update. The SOS flashlight beacon flashes Morse code in an emergency scenario, and the bright Cree LED can be used to signal for help. It even has an ultrasonic dog whistle that comes in handy in an emergency. It's never too late to keep your bug-out bag ready. So here's the Maxpedition Havyk-1 to keep all the gear items organized. It is made from heavy-duty 500 denier water and abrasion-resistant ballistic nylon fabric, and features a triple-coated Teflon fabric protector for added durability. The backpack features a spacious main compartment, multiple organizational pockets, and a front pocket with a concealed carry compartment, and mole webbing for attaching additional gear. The shoulder straps are padded and adjustable for comfort, and the backpack also features a sternum strap and waist belt for added stability during survival. SOL Phoenix Survival Multi-Tool is more than just a tool, it is a lifeline in the wilderness. One of the key features of the SOL Phoenix is the built-in magnesium fire starter, which allows you to start a fire with just a spark. It also has a built-in LED, which can be used as a headlamp or just to make a signal for help in an emergency. The tool also includes a knife, a pair of tenders, a ferro rod, and whatnot. So make sure you're always prepared for the unexpected with the SOL Phoenix. Staying hydrated is as important as anything else during survival. So here's the Lifestraw Peak, a personal filter straw to make water drinkable regardless of the source. Its advanced hollow fiber membrane technology ensures that you're only drinking clean, safe water. This can effortlessly filter out 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria, protozoa parasites, and even microplastics. Lastly, it has a long-lasting carbon capsule that improves the taste of water while reducing chlorine and other chemicals. Imagine you're stranded in the wilderness with nothing but the clothes on your back and the Oadnfa survival bracelet on your wrist. With its 550 paracord and U-shaped shackle, you can start a fire, set up a shelter, and even catch fish to survive. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit, while the waterproof material keeps the bracelet functional in any weather conditions. The Oadnfa survival bracelet is a must-have for any adventurer or survivalist. It's a small but powerful tool that can make a big difference in an emergency. So that was our list of 10 amazing survival gear and gadgets you must see. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.